Your home speaks to you constantly, through morning light across your floor, the weight of linen in your hands, the scent of cedarwood in the air. But most of us only design for one sense, our eyes. Sight is your foundation. Layer your lighting at 3 levels: ambient, task, and accent. Warm bulbs between 2,700 and 3,000 Kelvin. Signal your body to rest. Dimmers are not a luxury, they are a calibration tool. Scent is invisible architecture. Morning citrus in the kitchen. Lavender in the bedroom at night. 3. Scent zones: public, private, and transitional. Your signature scent should live at the edge of awareness, not announce itself. Touch is the most direct path to comfort. Natural wood feels 2 to 3 degrees warmer than metal, not because it is warmer, because your body reads it that way. Layer your textiles by function: durable weaves in high-traffic zones. Softness where your body rests longest. Silence is not the absence of sound. It is the careful curation of it. Area rugs, bookshelves, and fabric panels absorb what drains you. And in your kitchen, design for ritual, not just efficiency. The sounds of cooking, the scent of fresh herbs, the weight of a wooden cutting board. These are sensory experiences, not chores. Start with one sense. Master it for one season. Then layer the next. Your home should work for all of you, not just your eyes. Read the full guide at flatironhome.com.